So in this video, we'll see how we can add icons in menu, in Shopify menu. Here you can see I have added menu in my Shopify store and there is icon with it. We'll see how we can do it for free. Let's go. Here I am logged into admin dashboard of Shopify. Now to add icons in menu, like you want to add different icon for different menu. We of course we want, for that what we'll do, we will customize the code. So this will be with custom.liquid. If you know how to work on custom.liquid, then only do it. Okay. So yeah, go on themes. Here you need to go on edit code. So we will edit code. We will edit code to add menu icons. Okay. Now here you need to open your CSS file, either theme.css, base.css. You need to find your CSS file first. So this is my CSS file. Here I will add icons. CSS. Very simple. Now what we need to do? First, now go to your front page of your website. Go to online store, go on view your store. Now this is your store. So what you need to do, right click inspect. So we will inspect it. Here this is my code. So we want to add unique icon to each a. This is link. We want to add unique icon for each link. So first I will select the nav, header inline menu, or you can select UL class I. UN class, it's all upon you. I will select header inline menu. Just watch it. I need to select the parent class. Dot parent. Now, what will be the? We want to style our A. So inside this menu, I will go inside list, or you can directly go on A. It's very simple. A. Then before that, we want to add icon. That's the very simple way to add icon in menu. Before this, here you need to here you need to select the parents class, then get inside A, and you need to add icons in it directly. Don't select link class, never, don't select this class. Okay, we will always select parent class. So this is the parent of list, or here we have selected it. First point. Now we will add some CSS to style it. As of now, content will be blank because we want to add unique content for each link. Now display will be inline block. Very simple. Height width you can set as per your requirement. It's for styling purpose. It's all upon you. Now here background size will be contain. You know what is, because it will contain. Now background will be, there will be no repetition because we want only one icon. Background, no repeat. Background position we want in center. Of course we want a background center. Very simple. Now this is for styling. Now you want to add icons in each list. For that you need to select the parent class. Very simple. Go here. Now what you need to do, now inside that we have list, then inside list there is our A. So list will be like UL is parent and list are, here you can see these are for children. So always keep in mind, always select parent class and select the children class which are like this, multiple children class. You can't select A as children class because inside one list there is only one A. So we need to select a list. So we will select first list, second list, third, fourth, fifth list. So style it. Here, go here. Now what we'll do, here add list. Inside list, which list we want to select? We need to select first list. First list, and inside first list, how you can add one. Now here inside list, which we want to select A because we want to style A. Now add background, sorry, background images. That will be URL of icon. From where you will get URL? Go to your admin dashboard. Here in contents, in files, you need to upload your URL. Sorry, upload your icon and get the link. Here I have uploaded. I will get the link of my icon. Then go here. Now paste the URL. Here. Now save it. Very simple. If you have any confusion, let me know. Okay. Now go on front end. Because there is one issue. One more thing you need to have. We need to only style list. Here we also need to add list. And here we need to add before because we want to add it for before. Now it's done. All things done. Save it. Now go to front end. Here you can see we have added menu. It's color different to what we will. Now here you can see it's back color is very black. Now here you can see I can add different type of icon as per my requirement. Different menu. I have added only one menu. Very simple. You can easily add. You can download any icon and add it in your menu. Very simple. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. If you want this code, I will share it with you. Just subscribe to my channel and I will share this code.